Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today in primary 4 we have studied topic 4.4, that is loud and the soft sounds. Now as we already know that the loud sounds are the sound that have bigger vibrations and the soft sounds are the sound that have smaller vibrations. Let me show this to you practically. If I hit this can softly, it will produce a softer sound. But if I will hit this can hardly, it will produce a louder sound. What actually has happened is that when I will hit this can, the vibrations will travel from this can to the air particles and then eventually it will reaches our ear, and that is how we can hear the sound. But the vibrations we can observe by the movement of this pearl. If I will hit this softly, so the sound is soft and the vibrations will be smaller, so the pearl will move slightly. But if I will hit this can harder and the vibrations will be bigger, so the sound will be loud and this will move more fastly. So you have observed this, that it has moved more faster, so it means that the vibrations were bigger this time. Now we can record these sounds by using a sound meter. A sound meter is an apparatus that has a microphone and that has a screen, and under this screen there is a membrane. That membrane vibrates as the sound enters through this microphone. It depends on the loudness and the softness of sound that how the membrane is vibrating. Like if the sound is louder, the membrane will vibrate more. But if the sound is softer, the membrane will vibrate less. You can also record the sounds in the units of decibels by using your mobile phone. You can download the sound meter in your mobile phone as well, just like I have downloaded over here. As you can see, this is the sound meter and it can show you the reading in decibels. Like I am talking, so it can show you the results in the decibels. Now what you have to do as your home task, you have to download this sound meter in your mobile phone and you have to record the sound of 3 different sources or 4 different sources. Number 1, clapping, then whistling, then tapping on the desk, and then the ringtone of your mobile phone. And then what you have to do, you have to make a chart. You have to make a chart over here and in your copy, and you have to write sound sources over here and the recordings that you have made by using your sound meter in your mobile phone over here. And then you have to answer all the 4 questions that is given in topic 4.5. Question number 1, that which sound was the loudest? Question number 2, which sound was the softest? Question number 3, were your predictions correct? So your predictions can be wrong as well, depends on your predictions. Like for example, if you have predicted that whistling sound can be the softest, but if it is not, so you can write no, my predictions were not correct. And if your predictions were correct, so you can write yes, my predictions were correct. So it depends on you. So you have to solve all the 4 questions and you have to answer all the 4 questions in the notebook, and don't forget to make this chart in the notebook as well. So I hope that you have understood that what you have to do as your home task. Jazakallah.